unboxing this planner because I don't have any plans. Don't mind my background. Wala ako sa mood this week. Laging pagod ang person. Laging walang pahinga. Kaya ganyan yan siya. Mga ano dyan. Pagbukas mo ng Vagzaru, may ganito, may pa-favor. Favor? Ay! Wow! Parang bag na yung ano yellow. Look naman, very big. Ang flanner. Ang walang flanong person. Pak! Gusto mo yun? Parang gusto mo lang indigo. The color. I selected is indigo. Ganda. Ta-da! It's actually very thick, unlike their previous planners. Okay, so when you open that, actually pwede talaga siyang bag. Why didn't they make this as a bag, you know? Double purpose. Sana. See, they have like may Volza, then sa loob. Ayan na ang flanner ng walang flanong person. See? They could only put like little straps here and here. Pwede sanang magamit pa sa Vagzaru. Okay. This is the flanner. Naka-plastic ability. Siyempre, pupunitin na ang plastic. Wala naman pakinabang. Ooh, black. Kailangan kinukot. Pala yung ballpen niya. Gold Zero. Back. Very premium. Starbucks merchandise. Bakit nga ba ganyan ang aking video? Very, parang mabigat siya. Nag-review ng Volven. Okay, so this is the planner. And I guess this is a bookmark. Good addition. And good design. Because, wala lang. Trip ko lang. Okay. So, merong per year, like 2 years na 2025 and 2026. So, first page, yung natural. Yung lagi nilang logo. Then, yung may belong. Oh, sabi na. This planner belongs to me. Alam nga naman sa'yo. Siyempre akin. 2026. Oh, may pagka-Ghibli style yung design for this year. Yun lang. Sulatan ng mga Kinimpim Perez. Yan. May mga design kagaya ng iba nilang planners. Ayan. This is so beautiful. Kind of like Filipino art, if I should describe it. Reminds me of what anime that was. So, ganyan lang. Medyo ngayon, madami yung sulatan. Kasi previously, parang may calendar lang. Ay, natching! Madirty. Mahalik ka ba? Saru, ang una kong isusulat dito ay wala pang naiisip ang person. Pero ang ganda niya, premium. Walang sticker like previous years. Walang stickers na freebie. Ganda. Pero premium. Ang gagawin na yun, dagdag basura na naman ang Kinimpim Perez. Yun lang. Thank you.